So who is Dikshita?
Hello everyone, I'm Dikshita. Currently, I'm working in CGI as an associate software engineer.
Super, super. So firstly, like, how did you come to know about this opening, Dikshita? Like, did you apply on the LinkedIn? Like, how did you come to know about the opening, Dikshita?
I got placed in CGI through my college placements.
Oh, okay,
So in that way, I came into this thing.
super. So looking into the hiring procedure, like, how was your journey? Like, how was the assessment round? Like, what kind of questions you got in the TR? Like, what kind of questions you got? Just to give brief on that, Dikshita.
Actually, in the assessment, there are aptitude questions and
Okay,
related to the programming questions also.
okay,
And I remember very well, I had a communication test
okay,
reading, speaking, and listening. These
okay.
three things I had. I'm not sure about the aptitude and
Okay.
programming questions, but I had communication test.
Okay.
Uh, and in that way, assessment was moderate level, like not so easy, like not so hard. It's
Mm.
moderate level.
Okay.
And coming to the rounds, I had two rounds actually,
Okay.
one technical and one HR.
Okay. So you mentioned about communication round, right? Like, how was it?
Yeah.
There is no like the problem will be given. You need to solve those kind of problems. No aptitude problems. Nothing.
No. Actually, for speaking thing, they have like they will give a sentence, and
Okay.
in between they give blank, and they ask us to fill the blank,
Okay.
and need to repeat the whole sentence again.
Hmm. Okay.
And reading thing was like normal, like reading the questions and answering the
Okay.
MCQs.
Okay.
And speaking thing, giving a particular topic and asked me to talk about that topic for 1 minute, something in that way.
Okay. So camera was on.
Yeah, camera also.
Okay. So this was all about the assessment, the communication round.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long it went, Dikshita? Like, what was the section? Like, how long the test was?
Uh, Maybe 30 to 40 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah.
30 minutes. Okay. So once you're done with the communication, next was the technical round.
Yeah.
So how was your technical round experience?
In technical route, they asked me about introduce myself,
Okay.
and they asked me to explain about the projects which I have done,
Okay. Mm.
and some basic questions like I have mentioned Java as my core subject,
Okay.
so they have asked about OOPS concepts
Okay.
and some basic SQL queries. I
Mm.
have mentioned SQL. So they have asked about the SQL queries, like they have given some question if you want
Okay.
to delete something, if you want to update something, like what commands you use.
Okay.
In that way, they have asked.
Mm.
And they asked me to explain about the projects, like whatever
Project.
I did,
Okay.
like
Academic
what is
project.
my role, like what you did in
Mm.
that.
Okay.
And whatever they asked, everything was like whichever mentioned in my resume. Like
Theory.
they didn't go out of the resume. They
Okay.
just asked everything related to the resume, like whatever I have mentioned.
Okay. Mm.
And they have asked me that I have mentioned Java, and I did the projects on other domain.
Okay.
So they have asked me like, have you done any project regarding like by using the Java? Like,
Yeah.
have you done?
Okay.
So I just said I didn't do that thing. Uh, I just did my projects on Power BI and web
Okay.
development. So I just mentioned those things.
Mm.
So I just told him that I have used Java in my coding thing. Like
Okay.
while doing the project, I done it in that way.
Okay. Mm. So
So I
that's
just
what the
mentioned,
ah.
yeah,
So no DBMS question, nothing.
yeah, like SQL queries he asked, and something difference between delete and
Okay.
drop, that truncate,
Okay.
those things. Like,
Okay. I just wanted to ask in the first round assessment, you said that there were some coding questions also. Correct.
yeah,
So
yeah.
the coding question plus communication round were in the same round or like is it different, Dikshita? How was it?
Uh, Actually, I had an exam like all at a time, like complete exam at a time, but sections, like sections
Different.
wise, it was there actually.
Okay. So let us on that.
So first programming questions and aptitude
That's
and
it.
communication test in
Communication.
that way.
All right. So assessment is a combination of coding, apti, and communication.
Yeah, coding, they didn't ask me to like code completely. Just
Okay.
basic programming questions were asked. That's it.
Okay. The pseudo code was given. You wanted to expect the
Yeah,
output of it.
in that way.
Okay. So any apti questions? Any problems you need to solve? Nothing.
I didn't remember that
Okay.
much
No, no
regarding
worries.
that thing.
No worries. And after that, you had a communication round.
Yeah.
So how was the section, Dikshita? Like once you're done with coding, then only you'll be able to go to section 2, or else again you can come back to the section 1. Like how was it actually?
Yeah, after completing the whole thing, like if the first round was about the programming questions, I need to complete it in the given time. Like
Time.
if 20
Okay.
minutes was given, that thing should be done in that particular time.
Okay, it's a one-way
And
approach.
again, and again it goes into the next round.
Yes.
Then again you can't go back.
Okay. So once you're done with the assessment, the results won't be given at the end of the assessment. No, right?
No. We
All right.
got it later.
All right. So you mentioned about assessment thing is clear. After that, technical round, you mentioned what the questions. The majority was what you have mentioned in the CV. Based on that, they have asked.
Yeah.